Comrades power! Kijana power! Comrades power! Comrades power! Comrades Warembo high! Having considered several factors, I am making this bold decision. The decision is not as a defeat, but the decision is for the togetherness and the betterness of Maseno University at large. Comrades power!
I stand here to express my heartfelt gratitude to Lavan Odhiambo and the team for deciding to drop their bid and joining us as Team Kidera. Comrades power!
Wow.
We thank you for your endorsement, and your endorsement carries a significant weight to our team. Thank you very much. Let's work together to bring Maseno University and make it better.
Together, we want a leadership that is bold enough to confront our challenges, innovative enough to find solutions, and committed enough to serve without fear or favor. Comrades power! That less than join hands behind Cleveland Kidera is a true man, a man of his word, mature enough to serve the comrades. And today I'm telling you that we are making Somo greater than what it is today. Comrade power! Comrade Ria! Kidera power! Lavan power! Lavan Ria! With your full support and your full action, Mr. Cleveland Kidera. I also extend my deepest gratitude to my colleague for the honor and confidence you have shown by endorsing me. Deciding to support somebody does not mean you are weak. I am not weak, he is also not strong. But if we work together, we are going to bring the best. Comrades power! Your trust is not just an endorsement of me as an individual, but a powerful statement of the hopes and aspirations we all share for a better Maseno. I stand before you not as a perfect person, but as a servant willing to listen, to learn, and to lead. My vision is simple: a university where the voice of every student is respected, a leadership that fights for better services, better welfare, and better opportunities for all. A union that is transparent, accountable, and responsive. Comrades, this is our time. I am ready to serve you, to work with you, and not to hesitate to champion the grievances of the comrades in this varsity. Hope is alive, change is possible, and together we will build Maseno we are all proud of. Comrades power! Comrades power! Comrades team! Comrades Ria! Vijana fire! Comrades team!